Really? You'd like a new or almost new Kia car, SUV, or crossover? But you're waiting for the Fed promised finance rate reductions? When selection is better than it's been in years and prices are lower too? How about some sound advice from Sunset Kia of Auburn? Marry the rig, date the rate. While selection is best and price is dropping, find that special new vehicle right now. And then simply refinance when the rate gets lower. Plus, get warranty protection for life and oil changes for life included with every single qualifying new Kia, saving you thousands down the road. Marry the rig, date the rate. And when the rates go down, simply restructure and refinance that auto loan to a lower payment. There's absolutely no reason to wait. Told you we had some sound advice. Let Sunset Kia of Auburn's matchmakers help you find the Kia you love. Marry the rig, date the rate. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.
We wanna see ya in a Kia. You're gonna love what you drive at Sunset Kia. Sunset Kia of Auburn.
Auburn Way North, Auburn.